Introducing the Striplox 90D 98. Provides a fast, simple, reusable, yet secure right angle joint. Striplox 90D 98 is fully scalable to suit a range of sizes and is designed to suit numerous applications. Made from high strength reinforced nylon. It comprises of 3 components. 2 components being the hooks, which join together to make the 90 degrees. The 3rd component is the key, which is inserted in between them and locks it into place. Striplox 90D 98 has many features, one being that it's a very easy product to use to lock in 90 degrees. For alignment, there are notches that you can mark out on your substrate so that when you are assembling it, you can easily identify where they line up. There is no right and left in the hooks. Both of the hooks are exactly the same component. They simply turn around and face each other and slip into the position like so. Locking the Striplox 90 is simple by allowing one pitch and then simply sliding it close until you hear it lock. Thank you for listening to the Striplox presentation. If you require any further information, please visit our website. Alternatively, go and see one of our local distributors and ask for Striplox, the perfect joining solution. Thank you.